Hello, my name is Brian Cheney, and I'm with the Speech Technology Center, or STC. As you might know, STC has been a global leader in speech technology since 1990. We develop products for law enforcement, government organizations, and commercial enterprises such as financial services, healthcare, retail, and more. STC products are used around the world, centered on capturing, verifying, identifying, and analyzing speech. One of our major product lines we've been developing for years is multi-channel call recording and processing solutions. Today, I'd like to introduce you to some of our solutions included in this product line. But before we begin, let's discuss why you may need a call recording system. Any business requires communicating with customers. The telephone is still one of the most important communication channels. It is the front door to your business. Therefore, the quality of the customer experience in your contact center is critical to the success of your business. Each call, inbound or outbound, is an opportunity for profit. The more technologically advanced your call center is, the more skillful your agents are, the greater revenue you are likely to get. What are the major issues you may face while managing a contact center? Let's highlight a few. Lack of tools to perform real-time performance monitoring. Lack of accurate data on incoming calls and agent performance, such as average handle time, first call resolution, idle time, and agent behavior. Need for development and implementation of best practices in a customer care practice database for training purposes. Need for visualizing call statistics to analyze and manage agent performance. Assurance of regulatory compliance and security of customer personal and financial data, and of course many others. You can resolve all of these issues using a modern call recording and processing solution which will help you boost agent performance, detect common mistakes made by agents, simplify the analysis, collect educational material, minimize risks, and much, much more. So here is when the STC products come in. Smartlogger 2 is a state-of-the-art multi-channel recording solution designed for contact centers, which also include agent performance assessment tools. Smartlogger 2 can record conversations coming from any source, from analog or digital lines to voice over IP SIP trunks. It can also be easily implemented into leading communication platforms such as Avaya, Cisco, or Genesys. Smartlogger 2 automatically performs the following: recording and processing 100% of calls, detecting implicit negative feedback and customer disloyalty, enabling live agent monitoring. Smartlogger 2 is very flexible. For instance, you can record calls and assess agent performance both manually and automatically, whatever is more convenient for your business at any moment. Here are some additional robust features included with Smartlogger 2 to further help you enhance and improve agent performance. View and control logged metrics. Perform automated incoming call analysis. Leverage noise reduction and automatic gain control features. Export audio files and their related data. Make use of built-in admin tools such as SNMP monitoring and LDAP authentication. Enable seamless integration into your contact center infrastructure using open standards architecture, and much, much more. You can work with Smartlogger 2 through either of the two user interface types. FAT Client admin application installed on the client PC from which you will be accessing the recordings. Web Client, which is the web interface enabling HTTPS access. You can see the client admin GUI on your screen right now. This powerful interface includes the following major areas. Channel monitoring area. Here you can view current channel status, call control duration, manage agents, and much more. In the main or database area, you can find any conversation logged with Smartlogger 2 using the filters and search criteria. Once the recording has been found, you can manually assess the agent performance here. The database area is fully equipped with both manual and automatic performance assessment tools. Finally, the player area allows you to play back any audio file recorded with Smartlogger 2. The player is equipped with automatic gain control, noise reduction, tempo correction, loop playback, and other tools required for audio file processing. The digital signature and watermarks feature prevents unauthorized audio file modification and ensures data security. Client Admin enables comprehensive manual audio processing and is included into Smartlogger 2 basic configuration. Smartlogger 2 allows you to monitor such important metrics as call duration, number of calls put on hold, number of interruptions during agent-customer conversation, call termination party, and much more, in total over 50 metrics. As already mentioned, you can also access Smartlogger 2 data via web client. Specify the web server name and your credentials to log into the web interface to access the recordings in much the same way as the client admin interface. The only unsupported feature here is live channel monitoring. Web client is a very handy feature which allows you to access audio file processing tools on the go from any location with an internet connection. In summary, you can see that Smartlogger 2 is an efficient, powerful, and simple tool for contact center performance monitoring, audio recording, and processing even in its basic configuration. Monitoring and analyzing calls is great, but sometimes it can be insufficient to get a full picture of your contact center operations without agent screen data. Screen recording solves this problem. And of course, this feature is available within Smartlogger 2. The screen recording feature allows you to assess agent actions when servicing a call, detect common errors, and find out if the agent workplace is well optimized. To save time while manually processing the recordings, the supervisors can leverage advanced scorecards, a Smartlogger 2 plugin designed to simplify and streamline the agent assessment process. With advanced scorecards, you can reduce the processing time and boost the percentage of recordings processed by as much as 5 percentage points of all recordings available. This plugin also enables creating and running processing tasks, creating assessment templates, and collecting statistics. This feature can be critically helpful for a contact center supervisor. This slide visualizes the Smartlogger 2 approach to automatic 4-level customer-agent conversation analysis. Overall, Smartlogger 2 provides you with over 30 metrics for agent performance assessment, such as CTI information, speech characteristics, and more. The vocabulary assessment tool helps streamline a number of tasks, such as controlling scripts, detecting forbidden or unwanted vocabulary used by agents, finding out implicit negative feedback, controlling repeat inquiries and monitoring unfulfilled promises, and many more. Emotion analysis is based on nonverbal speech characteristics and helps to identify heated or confrontational customer interactions. This method detects customers who talk in a very emotional or expressive manner when regular speech recognition technologies cannot. It is possible to define a scale and weight of each assessment metric. Smartlogger 2 automatically calculates the total score for each group of metrics and for the whole recording, marking it as excellent, good, okay, and poor. Now that you are familiar with Smartlogger 2 and its basic features, let's focus on the results which our customers achieve after implementing Smartlogger 2 in their companies. Using Smartlogger 2 in a sales department helps achieve the following: boosting your team morale by identifying coachable moments for less productive agents, sharing examples of exemplary sales tactics with other team members, avoiding the misuse of the company telephone network, developing a standardized best practices for customer care to enhance the customer experience and reduce training expense. All of the above will have an immediate impact on company revenue and profit. It's obvious that call recording, control, and analysis helps to drastically reduce the average call duration, which subsequently boosts contact center performance. Here are some typical results which you can expect from Smartlogger 2. Number of agent mistakes decreased by at least 50%. Number of junk words used by agents reduced from 30% to 3%. Agents' adherence to the conversation script increased to as much as 95% from about 45% before Smartlogger implementation. Percentage of valid claims decreased by 50%. First call resolution will also be significantly increased with Smartlogger implementation. By implementing Smartlogger 2, you acquire a tool which provides unique control and measurement tactics and boosts agent morale as well. Smartlogger 2 is ideally suited to market verticals such as banking and financial services, power and mining, law enforcement and government, insurance, healthcare, telecommunication service providers, and many more. Smartlogger should be implemented in contact centers, in-house security services, front offices with switchboard environments, hospitals, logistic and supply services, and marketing departments, and of course many more. Using this table, you can see who stands to benefit most from implementing Smartlogger 2. What distinguishes Smartlogger 2 from competitive products? Here are a few features that make Smartlogger 2 unique. Efficient and powerful interfaces, rich client and web client, with the manual assessment option. Wide range of software plugins. Over 50 filters to navigate through the recording database. Advanced data protection, backup, mirroring, and replication. Professional hardware, high-quality recording, and minimum phone line signal influence. Noise reduction filters. Updates and upgrades, 2 to 3 new versions per year. Free software upgrade within the warranty period. Manufactured by STC with an individual approach to customer needs. We hope you can now see how Smartlogger 2 can greatly improve your business results in your contact center and how simple it is to implement and use. Not convinced? We invite you to try Smartlogger 2 for free. Follow our website link, which you can see on the screen, go to the Smartlogger 2 page, and download your Smartlogger 2 SIP recorder trial. In case you don't want to download and install anything, just fill out the feedback form and get a free connection to our Smartlogger 2 demo server.